Pictory is a great tool to create fast and short content. You can begin the creation process in various ways. This video focuses on how to use the text-to-video feature. You can explore other methods and more detailed tutorials on this channel in the Pictory playlist, which you can find in the description. When you open a new project, you need to choose which method you are going to start with. For this demo, click on Text to Video. Now you'll enter a new window, which is the pre-editor for the text. This step comes before you go to the main editor to create the video itself. You can start with text that you add to Pictory. This text should be text you already edited yourself, although you can also edit it in the main editor and remove or add text. Here are a few tips to organize the text. If you use an AI text generator, then double check the text to ensure it provides the right information. AI text generators can sometimes create text and facts that are inaccurate, even opposite to the truth. When you copy the text here, make the lines short. Short line makes it easier for Pictory to create separate things and then to generate video accurately. It also makes the subtitles on the screen more readable, especially important for vertical videos. If you're looking to create short-form videos, you need short text. Pictory can handle video length of up to 10 minutes for the started plan and 20 minutes for the pro plan. But if you ask me, it's not the best use of the tool because creating long video will be slow and take a long time. This tool is best for short form video. If you want to calculate how long your video will be before creating it, consider that approximately 150 words equal less than a minute of video. If you have more than that, your video will not be considered short on YouTube. However, you can still create longer vertical videos for other platforms. When you edit text before Pictory edits the video visuals for you, you can add highlights. These are words that will be in different color when you edit the text in the video. You can skip this step and do it later. You can also give Pictory the option to highlight the words for you. If you want to add visuals from Pictory's video library, make sure that option is on before you proceed to the main editors. Now, after you have your text for video, whether it is from another video, a blog post, or text you wrote, it's time to edit the video. The next step for Pictory is to take your text and use AI to generate videos that match the text. All of the videos are from a library that you have license to use, so you won't get into trouble with copyright claims. Let's see how to edit the text inside Pictory. The text is in the first tab. Pictory calls it story. This is where you can edit the text more. If, let's say, you see that the text is too long in one scene, you can now separate the text and it will create a new scene. It's a good idea to do this in the previous step because when you split the scene, Pictory will use the same visual for both scenes you split. Unless you want to use the same visual, then you will need to change it to a different one manually. The whole point of Pictory is to save time while using the AI. I believe that when you use Pictory occasionally, you will find faster ways to create content and use its full ability. When I create my first video in Pictory, I didn't know that it was best to split the text before creating the project. And then I had to spend time changing a lot of videos. Also, when the text is too long, Pictory can't recognize the best video for this scene. Here are a few things to note when editing the video footage. When you export the video, it will be without the watermark. If you're in the 14-day trial, you'll have the watermark, and the only way to remove it is by buying a subscription. There is a coupon code in the description if you like the tool. Use the 14 days to explore and see if it's the right tool for your needs before purchasing. Pictory doesn't have the option to layer videos, so every video with a green screen needs to be changed, as it looks odd when the green screen isn't replaced. If you want to add more layers, you can use text or element on top of the videos. You can also upload videos from wherever you like, but there is a limit of size of the video you can upload, so you can't use libraries with high quality videos because they are too large. Now, the next step after you change the videos is to style the text. You should keep the AI voice or your voiceover for the last because of the way Pictory works with generating the voiceover. So next, let's see the text editor. I just choose some templates that they have, but you can also click on the text and customize it. When you do so, you are changing only the text on this scene. If you want to apply these changes to all of the other scenes, just click on the Apply to All Scenes. and it will change everything. If you want one scene to have a different text style, then you first need to change the text to the style you want for all of the scenes and then go to specific theme to change them. Otherwise, you will need to do it for each one. To create a style of your own, click on the text you want to change, then customize it. You have the option to choose a font and size, then the color of the text and the text background. You can also apply a shadow to the text, then choose a text width. If you choose to make it full width, then it will create a bigger box for the text. You can choose where you want the text to appear on the screen. Lastly, you can add bold words. If you do that, you first need to highlight the words and then customize the color. When you add this style, you can add movement to the text, a transition. You can choose to apply the same text transition to all of the scenes or change the transition from time to time. However, it's best not to play with it too much because too many transitions can be overwhelming and make the video hard to follow. Now that you have your own style, you can save it. Give it a name and it should appear on the My Style tab. For me, it didn't save for some reason, so I don't see it. When I saved it again, I got two styles, so just delete the extra one you don't need. The next thing about text is the subtitles. You can remove the subtitles if you don't like them. Just click on the subtitle icon in the scene editor. If you want to remove them from the whole video, click on Apply to All. If you do that and want a different text than the subtitles, you can use the text option. This is to add text that is not tied to the script or the story. You can add text whether you use the subtitles or not. Click on the text and then you can edit the style of this text. It can and should be different from the subtitles of that video. Another way to use text is when you use AI voice and need to fix the pronunciation. To do that, you need to create text that is not spelled correctly in the story. Then you should turn off the subtitle of that scene where you had to change the text to fix the AI pronunciation and add the correct text as a text box that is not tied to the story. The text boxes are sized as heading, subheading, and body text. You can add a few text boxes to a scene if you want the different sizes of text on the screen. After you adjust the text of the story and the videos, it's time to take care of the audio. I've made a full video on how to use the audio, but in short, you have two layers of audio for the video: background music and narration. The music library is royalty free, meaning you can use it in YouTube videos. And if you receive a claim, you can remove it. I explain this in details in the audio video. You can also use your own music. You should know that you can only have one music track in a video. The narration can be something you uploaded, recorded directly, or an AI voice. Pictory offers a nice selection of AI voices. They also have some pro voices from 11 Lab. You get 120 minutes each month with the Pro plan, or you can use the regular voices as much as you wish. Branding is another aspect, and I have a video about it on my channel. In short, branding is about creating consistency with your content, whether it's your colors, logo, or AI voice. You can watch the full video on my channel for more explanation. This is how you use Pictory. When you finish creating the video, just export it and download the video, and now you can do whatever you want with this video. Remember to download everything you do in Pictory after you finish and upload it to your channel before the subscription ends. This is how you use Pictory. It's a very simple editor and you can create fast content with it. The quality of the content depends on your storytelling and how much attention you pay to details while editing the video with the tools available in Pictory. I think it's a brilliant tool for creating fast content, especially if you need to create a lot of it. Get a 14-day free trial to see if it's right for you. The link is in the description. And use the coupon code for 20% off discount. Like and subscribe and watch this video next.